That's the latest from Chimmy 42. While he's chopping on that tree and fixing to fell it, I want to share with you a drink I discovered. Hot green tea, flavored with, there goes that tree. Nice fall, Chimmy. Flavored with Canada Dry cranberry ginger ale, and that's sugar-free. This stuff is very good. So 2 minutes in the microwave. There are no staples in the green tea bags. Stir that right in. Let that steep for about a minute. It's probably going to be too hot to drink. Chimmy's bucking that tree up now. But that's a really nice evening tea right there with good flavor. If you have trouble choking that stuff down, give this a try. Makes it very tasty. Thank you for watching.